Hello everyone, welcome to Aperture Diary. I am your host Arindam and today we will learn how to create a passport size photo and print up to 30 pictures at a time. So further I do anything, let's get started. First we need to open Photoshop. So I have Photoshop 2025 version, let me open it. Now we need to import that picture which you want to make a passport size photo. So I have some stock images. Let me open it. Yeah, it's there. And then you need to change the name. So it's already locked. You need to unlock it first and then change the name of this layer to master layer. Now you need to create a solid color adjustment layer by clicking here, then solid color, and choose a color which is closer to white. I am choosing this color. You need to bring down this layer to your master layer. So the first layer will be your master layer. Under this layer, you need to keep this layer. Why I am creating this layer, I will let you know in between my video. So then you need to crop this picture. To do that, you need to know what is the actual size of a passport size photo. The passport size photo has a 3.5 semi of width and 4.5 semi of height. So using that value, I need to crop this picture. So let me go to the crop tool, that is the crop tool, and I am putting already it's there. So still I am putting 3.5 semi and 4.5 semi. The resolution should be 300. Now click enter. So it's already cropped. Now you can zoom in just to check. You can use Ctrl Alt and plus sign to zoom in. So passport size photo always has a stroke. To put that stroke, you need to select that master layer and you need to go to edit and then stroke. The stroke should be in black and width should be 1 pixel. Location should be inside and rest of the item will be same. You don't need to touch anything. Click OK. So you can see here is a black stroke. To get more visibility, you need to extend your canvas size. To do that, you need to go to image, then canvas size. I would request you to extend only 1 centimeter. Sorry, 1 millimeter. So 35 and 45. So now you can easily segregate with the black stroke. So now you can say your passport photo is ready. I would request you to merge both the layer. To do that, you can select both the layer and right click merge layer, but that will remove both the layer. So let me show you merge layer. That will remove both the layer and create only one layer with merge version. I would request you to click the top layer and click Ctrl Shift Alt E from your keyboard. That will create a merge layer and also keep the old layer within your layer dialog box. So that is the new one. Now you need to create 30 passport size photo and make it printable. To do that, you need to create a new document of A4 size. You can do multiple way. You can copy this layer and paste it, then resize it like that, and then copy and paste, again copy paste, again copy paste. So that will take a lot of time. I would not suggest you that method. Let me undo. You can do one thing, you can select the top layer, then you can go to edit, then define pattern, make it JPG, the name. Okay. Now go to the blank document and from here you need to select pattern stamp tool and select this pattern. That is the pattern of this particular image. So now just paint it. Okay, now you can see it's more than a 30 pictures, so you need to crop it. Let me crop it. Okay, why it's showing like that? Because the ratio is present here. Let me delete it. Yeah, now you can freely change it. Now the question is why I did that solid color adjustment layer. So I will show you. So here you can see this color, that is the same color. So during printout, you can easily segregate. So if it's white, it will be difficult for you to understand. So if you are not using any stroke for some reason, so you won't be able to segregate this. So that's why I recommend always use a different color in background. That will help you to segregate the image. So that is all. But the thing is, here you can see we are working with the white background image. Then what about this one? What about this one? How we can do that? So I will teach you how can you create a passport size image of this kind of image. I will come back soon with the new video and teach you how to create a passport size photo which has a different background, fuzzy hair, curly hair. How can you select and make a passport photo of those kind of image? Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned.